Hi, it's Karen. Today I'm going to make a 2-point lemon bar. It's so good and it's so low in points. It's really amazing. We're going to make 24 bars altogether, 2 points each. And we're going to start out by getting 1 1/3 cup of flour, which is right here. 1 stick of butter, yes, real butter, right here. And 5 tablespoons of Swerve brown sugar. We're going to put this in my food pot processor, and we're going to pulse it until it's pea-sized. And then we're going to flatten it in the pan, which I've sprayed with butter-flavored ham, and bake it for at 350 degrees. How long do we bake it for? 20 minutes. 20 minutes for the crust. And so I'll show you what it looks like before we put it in the oven. Okay, this is what it looks like after you've put it in the Cuisinart, and it's like a fine crumb. So you want to press it in. Make sure your oven is at 350 preheated. Press it in so it gets kind of compacted, and we're going to bake this for 20 minutes. And then while that's baking, I'll show you how to make the filling. Okay, we're going to start the filling for the lemon bars. They're almost done cooking. We're going to be using 4 eggs that we are going to beat with some of the lemon juice until it gets frothy. So start that. When the crust is done, you want to turn your oven down to 300 degrees because you're going to be cooking the lemon bars at a lower temperature. All right, we have our eggs beaten till they're frothy and our crust is done. I turn the oven down to 300. This is hot, or I would lift it up. So you want to put a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla into this, 2 teaspoons of lemon zest. Make sure to get it all. 3/4 cup of the lemon juice, and 3/4 cup of the Swerve Confectioners powder. And mix that up. Let that mix up for a little bit, and then for some reason, the recipe that I got the original recipe from is a Weight Watcher recipe. It says to put the rest of the confectioner's sugar, the additional 3/4 cup, so it's 1.5 cups total, in after you've mixed this all up. So that's what we're going to do. And this is what it looks like. It's frothy. I tasted it. It's sweet tart. And then you're just going to pour it over the crust. Like so. And then bake it for 30 minutes at 300 degrees. Very hot, so I need my mitts. And after it's done baking, I'll show it to you when it's done. And here's the finished product, and they are delicious. If you take them to a potluck, they will never know the difference. 2 points with real butter, and you will enjoy them. Talk to you later. Bye.